I'm going to make viral short form content like this only using AI tools. And the best part is that you can use this to grow on Instagram, YouTube, and even TikTok. I'm going to show you every single step of the process, and on top of that, I'm going to share how you can make thousands of dollars per month using this skill. AI tools I share in this video are completely free, so with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna go to ChatGPT. We're gonna go ahead and copy this prompt, and we're simply gonna enter that into ChatGPT. By the way, all the prompts and everything else I use in this video is gonna be added in my Instagram creator guide, which is an absolutely free course teaching you how to grow on Instagram. It's gonna be the first link in my description or in the first pinned comment under this video. Essentially, you're not only gonna get this whole video guide, but you're also gonna get free Instagram course. Once you're inside, just scroll down and you're gonna find everything I've used in this video with all the steps. All right, so ChatGPT gave us some amazing quotes by Steve Jobs. Personally, I love these quotes. I think those are really unique and it's going to be really good when making our video. Now, step 2, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this amazing AI tool called Fotor.com, and using this tool, we're going to prompt an image which we're going to use on the video. Fotor.com gives you 5 credit points per every new account you create, and with these 5 points, you can essentially generate about 4 images. So this should be more than enough for you to get started for absolutely free. And of course, you can continue creating free accounts. So as you can see right here, I already generated some pictures of Steve Jobs, and those look pretty insane if you ask me. On the left hand side, you can choose a variety of different styles. As you can see, just go back to the Instagram creator guide and copy this prompt: a portrait of Steve Jobs 16:9 ratio. Of course, instead of Steve Jobs, you can add Bill Gates, you can add anything you want. Depends on what type of person you're using to create a video. Just go back here and enter your prompt right here. Then we're gonna click generate. So to be honest, this one looks insane to me. So after that's done, just click download. And we also have 10 different quotes from Steve Jobs. So we are gonna be able to make 10 different videos, which I'm 100% sure that some of them are gonna go viral. And I'm so excited to test this out. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open an AI tool called Kaiber.ai. We're gonna start a free trial, sign up with Google. We're gonna click create your first video. I'm gonna click begin with an initial image, and I'm gonna use this image right here. Let's click continue to prompt. So in this prompt, I'm gonna enter a portrait of Steve Jobs. Just delete this one. I'm gonna choose cinematic right here, and it changes the style, which is great. Let's go to video settings. The video duration is 8 seconds. Camera movement, I want it to be zoom in. Yes, evolve at 6. And let's add a boomerang. Let's preview the frames. All right, to be honest, this one looks pretty extreme, but let's just create a video. Sometimes the most extreme content goes viral, and when you have this type of visual that is really popping off and is really appealing, you have bigger chances of going viral on the platform. And just look at that, guys. To be honest, it looks really interesting to me. I just love it. Like, it's crazy what AI can do. Like, I'm amazed. So what we're gonna do now is just click download the video. And now once we have the video for our reel ready, and we also have quotes ready, the last bit we need is the actual voiceover. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to step number 4 and go to beta.elevenlabs.io. Again, we can click get started free, quick sign up, go to Voice Lab and click add generative or cloned voice. We're gonna choose male. We're gonna choose old, American. I'm gonna choose a high, strong accent. The ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. I think this one is the most iconic quote from Steve Jobs, and I'm gonna pick this one. It actually asks for at least 100 characters. So I feel like what you can do, honestly, is just add some characters and then cut the voice from where you need it. Click generate. Let's see what we're gonna get.
The ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Yeah, and then we can just remove that part. And let's just click download right here. So the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go and edit the video. For video editing, you're gonna need CapCut, which is absolutely free. You can go here and just download the CapCut for absolutely free if you haven't done that already. Yeah, so I have the files imported. Let's just drag the video to the timeline and let's drag the voiceover right here as well. Let's take the video and shorten it. And remember that we need to cut out a little bit of the voiceover. So let's just cut that G part. Now, first things first, we're gonna change the aspect ratio and we're gonna change it to 9:16 and gonna increase the image size like that. Perfect. Damn, that looks actually nuts. I love it. I might gonna start a side hustle on the side, just making these types of videos and growing the page. Who knows? By the way, guys, all the editing parts I'm doing on CapCut, I detail them here in the Instagram creator guide. So if you don't want to add voice effects, you don't need to add them. After that, I'm gonna add filters, which is gonna be camera shake. We're gonna go here to effects. So we're gonna add camera shake. After I added camera shake, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go to select the clip and go to animations right here. And I'm gonna select bounce one, this one. And so far it looks like this. All right, so after that, what we're gonna do is gonna add captions, which is gonna be really, really important part of the video. And CapCut honestly have this amazing feature where you can add auto captions just by going to text, selecting auto captions right here and click create. Awesome, they created captions, and now I'm gonna show you the font I use to make them look better. So the font I'm using is the bold font, which is used on, like, it's honestly like used on a ton of short form videos, and you can get it, again, I left a link to download the font. You can install it and use it yourself. Let's just select all the text. Let's increase the size to 14 right here. Let's make it in the middle. Right here. Let's add the stroke. Let's increase the size, and now it looks like this.
The ones who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do.
Personally, don't like this only one like word popping out. What I'm gonna do is gonna select this part and gonna click here. I'm gonna click enter, so it looks like this. And these ones look dope. Look, this one looks alright. So what I'm gonna do is for every single caption, I'm gonna add extra animation. Select the caption and click animation again. Might go with ease and right. Let's see.
The ones who are crazy enough to think that.
And let's add the same animation on every single one of these. All right, so I think we actually done with the video. So once you're done, all you need to do is just go here, click export, select the title of the video. So I'm gonna select Steve Jobs and click export. So I have my phone right here, and when posting a video, guys, it's really, really important to be using trending audio. And this is how you find trending audio. So this guy, I love his remixes, and what he does, when he posts these remixes, they honestly like go viral almost every time. So what you can do is you can select one of these remixes and click use audio. What you do then is, as you can see, you select the clip you want to upload, which is Steve Jobs quote that I just made. And first things first, make sure you play it out through his entirety, and don't worry that right now there's no actual audio from your original clip. I'm gonna show you how to add that. I always let it play out because what I found is it uploads at better and a higher quality when you do that. So once you click next right here and select the volume options. Now make the remix at like volume 4, something like that, like volume 10 maybe, so it's more louder, and increase your original audio to 100. Write a short caption, and now you're good to post it. And yeah, guys, in the upcoming YouTube video, I'm gonna report to you the results I've got from this. So make sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications if you haven't already to not miss it out. But now let's break it down how you can actually make money by utilizing this AI video creation strategy. So look, there are a few ways you can do that. Once you grow your page, essentially you're gonna gain attention. So one way you can start monetizing your audience is by building and selling digital products. When you build a page in this niche of wisdom, motivation, entrepreneurship, you're gonna attract a high highly motivated audience who want to improve their lives. And you can develop products to this audience, such as productivity templates on Notion, finance tracking templates on Notion, even video courses like video editing courses. First, you just gotta figure out what your audience wants and then build a product and sell to them. Other really cool and smart way to monetize this, it will be to grow this type of page and then sell it. You can essentially create and grow this page with ease because you can create unlimited amounts of content. You can also start offering this as a service for a monthly recurring fee. And I myself talking from total experience here because some of these ways I just mentioned I'm doing till this day and some of them I've done in the past. So take advantage of this. And if you enjoyed this video, you're definitely gonna enjoy this one where I share how you can grow your Instagram in 2023. So with that being said, click here and watch it right away. And thank you so much for watching.